To determine whether you have a truck and SUV rugged blade style 1 or style 2, look to the ends of your blade. If you have a triangle shape on the end of your blade, you have a style 1. If you have an L shape, you have a style 2. To determine if you have a PTB, narrow PTB, or DPTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. If your wiper arm has visible prongs on the side, then you have a DPTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Truck and SUV Rugged Series Style 2 wiper blade on a PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grasp the blade firmly and pry the adapter away. Locate the additional adapter within the packaging. To install, align the packaged adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Place the packaged adapter on top of the base connector and press down until it locks into place with a click. This may take additional effort to push into place. Locate the tab on the front of the locking cap. Hold the tab down and slide the cap forward. To remove the adapter cover, hold the wiper blade with one hand, grasp the adapter firmly, and pull the cover away. Slide the cap towards the adapter until it locks into place with a click. You are now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Truck and SUV Rugged Series wiper blades.